Right, let's dive into the fun world of image generation using the Angle Playground app. First, I'm opening the app on my device and getting ready to create some magic. Now I'm choosing a person from my photos, or I could create a completely new one. For this tutorial, let's go with a photo. Ooh, look at that. The app is already making me look like a cartoon character. I can see the selected photo, and I can swipe through to see all the different styles. Now I can pick different themes to change the background of my picture, making it look like I am in the jungle, a city, or wherever I want. There are even options to change the outfit. I can be a race car driver, or maybe even a robot. Let's see what I am feeling today. I will choose race car driver. Cool. I can customize it even more by choosing from a lot of accessories, like sunglasses, hats, or even a potted plant. If I want to choose a place, I can also do it. Let me check all of these places. There are so many options. Now let me save the image. There we go, the image is saved. I'm going out of the app now.